Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and this is Miss Remy here. In this video, I'll be sharing with you one of my homemade hair treatments. I did this treatment to help bring moisture and definition to my hair. It may not work for your hair. As for my hair, I really loved it. As you can see in this video, I'm showing it was my first time seeing like my curl defined without adding anything else after I put the treatment. I really liked it. If you decide to try it, let me know in the comment below. Here I'm showing you garlic. I got organic garlic at Trader Joe's. If you have a Trader Joe's by you, garlic is good for strengthening and preventing hair loss. Rosemary, I have rosemary. It helps with healthy hair and scalp. And also the next one will be thyme. Helps with hair growth and blood circulation. Thyme and rosemary, they kind of good for the same thing. It's really healthy for your hair. You can read more about them, and this is the other part to the hair treatment. So here I'm showing you avocado, coconut cream, honey, almond milk, vitamin E, jojoba oil, and organic extra virgin oil. So I'll be mixing all together. Yeah. And you could add any type of oil that your hair likes. As for me, I also added Haitian castor oil, which was not shown in this video. The coconut cream, you could make your own coconut cream. You could get a hard coconut and blend it and get the cream, or you could get this one just like me. And almost everything, just the coconut, I didn't get from Trader Joe's. I got the honey from Trader Joe's. I got the oil from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is my store. I got the vitamin E from Trader Joe's, the avocado from Trader Joe's. And as far as for the garlic, the thyme and rosemary, you can make a bottle with it to just spray your scalp, to spray your hair. It helps with growth and healthy hair. Right now, the olive oil, I also got it from Trader Joe's. It depends on you how much you want to put. It's up to you, because I only did it just to use it one time, so I didn't have leftover. And I have a lot of hair, so it's up to you. And as you can see from the back next to the books, I have this kind of honey. I don't like it, but this one that I have in the drawer, it's kind of organic. So now I'm taking the thing because it's done boiled. So I'm draining it, get all the flavor out. So I'm going to put it in the freezer to cool off just a bit, because I'm gonna need that liquid to blend together. Let it cool off. So now I'm adding little by little as I blend. And avocado is good for moisture, strengthen the hair. Coconut is good for dry and damaged hair. Almond milk, you could also make your own almond milk. I don't have the machine for that. It's rich in iron. It prevents hair loss as well. So all these things are good for your hair. So it's basically everything that you eat, and you can see how can I use it externally. Right now I'm blending, I'm putting back. As I blend, I put back. This thing was giving me a hard time. I couldn't open it. So I'm gonna blend again. So this is the organic milk I got from Trader Joe's as well. As you can see, I love Trader Joe's. Yeah. that was the end result. I enjoyed making that video. I enjoyed making my own hair treatment in my own kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys will try this treatment, and then if you guys have a chance to try it, let me know in the comment below. This is Miss Remy here. Have a joyful, a wonderful, a peaceful, and a blessed day or night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.